welcome back to me and you plus 2. Today we're going to be doing a fluffy slime video, and if it doesn't turn out good, don't judge us.
Yeah, don't judge us.
So, first I think you put in the glue.
Yes, we add some glue. So, you see I have the glue, guys.
Elmer's.
I'm adding the Elmer's glue.
I'm also adding in my Elmer's glue too. We got it from like Big Lots. They have a lot. Okay, so guys, my mom added a little food coloring. I have the peach, it looks red, and my brother has the blue.
Okay.
And we mixed it.
Keep mixing. Yeah,
Look how pretty.
Look how pretty it turned out.
Look at mine.
Mine is blue, as you guys can see right now. So we're still mixing.
And mine is like light peach, like kind of like the color of sand, but not really. So we're going to keep mixing and mixing. Okay, so we're going to add some detergent. We got Tide. Now let me just pour it in with all of them. Guys, right now we're about to be putting in the shaving cream.
And yes, so we're about to be starting to spray. So are you guys ready?
Bums away!
Oh, dang it. It's hard. He's getting his out.
Hard. Wait.
Mommy, I need your help.
Oh, I got it now.
Get it?
I want to make mine real fluffy.
Shake it up a little. There you go.
Tell me when to stop. Stop now.
That should be good. You can try to mix it and see
Okay.
what kind of... Oh,
Now
my
let's see what
goodness.
happens.
Let's test
Mine
it
got
out.
so much.
I have
You
more.
may have to use your hands at this point.
Yeah, you do.
Set that
Okay.
in there.
Okay, guys, we have to use our hands. Come on. This is how my cousin did hers. It's gonna get so big.
Fine.
Did you use too much foam, Kalia?
I think so.
I did
It's going to be like so fluffy after. Mine is already getting fluffy.
Mine is already. Mine's
Looks like
already.
a big bowl of marshmallow.
Mine's already fluffy. This is the
Look
best
how it
pizza
turns
thing.
out.
Look at mine. Look how it's turning out.
Let's see.
It's getting all fluffy. Look, it got bigger than it was at first. See, that's what I like about fluffy slime. That it gets bigger than it was at first when you add the shaving cream. And I love slime.
So do all kids across the globe.
Not everyone likes slime.
Oh, excuse me. We have a nice blue slime, and yours is nice and peach.
We know which one is ours.
Because we each got this.
It's like a big bowl of marshmallow.
Look at this. Look at this marshmallow. Seriously?
It's like,
So you have to keep playing with it, right, to get it a good consistency?
yeah, I'm the queen of making slime.
You're the slime queen.
Yeah, me, Nayla, Chloe, and Leah.
You mean Leah and
The slime queen. I don't know if I want to be a slime queen. You probably look extra gross.
Yeah, with the ugly head. So we were just playing with each other right now. Now look how good it's turning out.
Oh my, look. Okay, let me get to the
Hey,
bottom of it.
mine is still blue.
Look, everyone.
I mean, mine is still white.
I know mine is.
Foamy. I have a big ball of foam. Mine's just a big ball of foam. So Mommy was right. She knows how to make slime. Mommy, you should make slime too. Then let's make another pile.
Yeah, let's see. Spread it apart.
Oh,
Oh,
look at this.
gooey madness.
I wish I could
and it's
make
so
this as
fluffy.
cool. Look at mine. This is the best YouTube video ever.
And the best day.
Yeah, so look how stretchy mine is. Seriously, it broke.
So funny.
We gotta show Nayla this. I still got some in the plate. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.